you find that we're going to put it into categories. We're going to draw a line and another line. We're going to put natural, unnatural. But there's another category over there. But we're not going to put it there yet. We have natural and unnatural. Why would we entertain unnatural? Why would there be? They would not be able to see it. Why would there be a category of unnatural? We are natural people. Why do something unnatural? So unnatural, we're going to put burnout. Burnout. Why? It is natural. You know the burnout plant. Goes right there in Chicago. Goes like mad all over the place. It has energy. Iron. It's electrical. Under the unnatural, aware. What is the difference? You see, the natural plant is made by God or nature. The unnatural plant is made by man. So therefore, there has to be a difference there. The difference is, when you select from this category the unnatural state, you are introducing acid to somebody's body. You're not being truthful. Either because we are unaware, we were not helped by those who were supposed to help us, taught by the student. So we would give you peppermint, aloe vera, concrete. Let's put it there, peppermint. But they give you that. You go right now, go to Washington, D.C., go in Chicago. There are brothers and sisters who are selling herbs, will sell you peppermint. That's a natural. It would freeze the brain. It's like giving someone sugar. When you give someone sugar, you don't like that person. You don't like that person. You're showing them, I don't love you. I'm going to give you sugar. Why? It has glyceric acid. Glyceric acid, which would stimulate the body and cause you to be nervous. But many of our brothers and sisters that use that as medium to heal sugar in many forms. Stevia is one of the ways that they give it to you. Sugar cane. I used to love sugar cane juice, but it is deadly. It is not something that should go in our mouth. So under the category of unnatural, we have those things. That's only a few of them. You know the hog that we eat. Why do we eat a hog? Oh, because God made it. No, God did not make a hog. God made everything that God made is good. Everything that God made is good. God did not make a heart. God did not make a mule. God did not make a horse. God did not make rice or beans. They tell you in their history. Grigor Mendel, the Jesuit priest in England, made all of your beans. Just put that up there. Beans. Beans? Why not beans? There's starch there. All of these things are starch. That's the one thing that they have in common. Everything that man made must necessarily have starch. Starch is the binder. Starch is carbonic acid, but yet we eat it as a food. So when I tell you that I don't like my neighbor, something wrong with me. Something wrong with me. Like I work and I didn't like marrying my third wife. I want to kill her. And I wasn't joking. But prior to that, I want to kill myself. In 1963, the nigga was crazy. And I wound up in an estate asylum in New York, in New Jersey, 1961. Why was I in an estate asylum with schizophrenia and paranoia? Because I was consuming all this stuff. But I didn't have anyone to really help me, because everybody was telling me, you need your beans for what? Protein.